Task 3.1 is to create new account book using copy master data. To create new account book, you have to click on the File and then you have to go to Manage Account Book. Here, to create new account book, you have to choose Create Account Book and then you have to key in the company name as usual. So the company name is Learning AutoCount to Sendian Berhad, and the database name will be AET_chapter 3. And number 2, the database server location, you have to choose the first one, which is create a default account book in this PC, and after that you just click on the next button. For the fiscal year start date is on the 1st January 2020, and for the actual data start date, it will be on the 1st of April 2020. So, the difference between fiscal year and actual data is, fiscal year is your accounting year, when your accounting year start, but the actual data start date is the first date of the month that you are start using the AutoCount. So, for example, you start to use AutoCount on 14th of April, but in the actual data start date, you have to put 1st of April. Number 4 is system currency setting, which is we are using Ringgit Malaysia. Number 5, currently we don't have any SST yet, so we just untick the service tax. And then we just click on next button. Number 6 is the main package. So for this chapter, we are going to use only accounting package first. So for the stock control package, we untick. And after that, we click on next button. Number 7 is the account code format. This is the format that the system assigned to you. But if you feel that you want to change your own format, you can refer to the character on your right side and meaning here on your right side. And number 8 is the sample chart of account. So we have 3 options here. First is the blank account book. Second is the create sample chart of account, which is as a previous chapter, we are using this one. But on this chapter, we are going to use the third one, which is copy master data from other account book. So after you click copy master data from other account book, it will copy everything. Copy chart of accounts, copy debtors account, copy stock items, copy creditor accounts, and reports and grid layout. So before you click finish, you have to choose from which account book that you want to copy from. So for example, we want to copy from Learning AutoCount, so we have to choose this account book, Learning AutoCount Sendian Berhad. And after that, you can just click on finish and you wait until the account book created successfully. You can just click OK, and then you can see there's a 2 account book created here. So you can close from the manage account book wizard, and currently if you refer to the top here, you are logged in into the old account book. So what you need to do is you need to log out from here and log into the new one. So to log out and log in, you need to go to file and log into new account book. Do you want to exit from current account book? Yes. And then in your login page, you will have 2 account book here. One is the first one, and we are going to log in into the second one, which is Learning AutoCount to Sendian Berhad. So what you can do is, here in password, you put the same password, admin and admin. So after you log in, this one you can just click OK, and this one you can just click OK as well. Okay, so that is for the task 3.1. So before we proceed to the next task, we are going to complete the company profile. So to complete the company profile, you have to go to the general maintenance here and you go to the company profile. So here I want you to key in the remark for this is a chapter 3, and the color you can choose green color, and after that you can just click OK. And to check, you can go to the logo and report header, okay, and you can click on the set default report header to set your company name. Okay, so click on set default report header and just click OK. So that's all for the task 3.1. Task 3.2 is to add previous fiscal year. To add previous fiscal year, you have to go to Tools and then Manage Fiscal Year. Currently, we only have one fiscal year, which is fiscal year 2020. We're going to add a previous fiscal year, which is 2019, because in the next task, we are going to record all the invoices that are related to year 2019. So if the fiscal year 2019 is not in the system won't allow you to key in on the particular date. So to add on a previous fiscal year, you have to click on the new previous fiscal year, and the start date is 1st of January, fiscal year is 2019, and you can just click OK. Currently you have 2 and you can just close it. That's all for task 3.2. Task 3.3 is Y2D balance, year-to-date balance. Why you need to record a year-to-date balance? Because your fiscal year start on January, but you only start to use AutoCount on April. So the amount on January, February, March, you have to record under GL and year-to-date balance maintenance. So to record this, you have to click on the year-to-date balance maintenance, and here you have description, account number, currency code from January, February and March. So we are going to record only as at March 2020. So you can start record as usual, starting from capital until general expenses. Okay, you can refer the amount in your cost book to enter the figure. So in the cost book, you can see for capital, we are putting negative 200,000. So the negative is actually not negative figure, it represents credit side. So in your system here, you still have to put negative as to record as the credit side. So here negative 200,000. Okay, so after that you can record the rest until general expenses. Okay, at the end of the record, at the end of the year-to-date balance, you will get a negative 19,000. And to save this one, you can just click on the save button. So the March 2020 amount is not balanced. You still want to save? You can just click yes, because later only we will balance it in the next task. So to just click yes, and your year-to-date balance will be saved.